What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $64,160. So we have increased in price since the past few days. Bitcoin is sort of in this upward wedge like channel. So this particular channel usually indicates a more bearish outlook, but again, in the world of trading and particularly crypto, price patterns and stuff like that usually aren't the greatest indicator. They can be a good indicator, but aren't always the most reliable indicator of what the price can really do next. As you can see on the bottom trend line, we have 3 touch points followed by the top trend line, which also has 4 touch points. As seen drawn with that green marker, that is my prediction on what the price can do. On the short term, on the 1 hour chart, we could bounce off that top trend line before making our way back down, breaking that bottom trend line. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions, like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, both very volatile conflicts in the world of crypto right now that are making Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour chart analysis. I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $64,101, so no different than the 1 hour chart. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points followed by the top trend line, which also has 3 touch points. In my opinion, on this particular pattern, which is a falling wedge-like pattern, I do believe, which indicates more of a bullish trajectory, we could potentially break that upward trend line. We could bounce off that bottom trend line before making our way back up. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions. As seen drawn with the upward arrow, we could break that top trend line. That bottom arrow suggests we could break that bottom trend line. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my chart analysis for the 1 hour, 4 hour chart setup. As always, just to mention this, the 1 hour chart is a much more smaller interval, so price action is a little bit more quicker on that chart compared to the 4 hour chart, which takes a little longer to see reflection in price. But the 4 hour chart usually gives you a better, more broader perspective on what Bitcoin's price can genuinely do next. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. Please like, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a good rest of your day.